Assalamu alaikum class 6. This is your computer class and today our chapter is word processing in Word, formatting and printing. Today we have three topics. Explain the different type of text alignment, names of different indent markers, explain the different line spacing option, available line spacing option. Question number 1. Explain the different type of text alignment. There are alignment. These are alignment. We can see the formatting toolbar. Select and change the alignment. Left alignment. This is the default mode of alignment to left align a paragraph. Center alignment. To center a line or paragraph, position the cursor anywhere in the paragraph to click on the center button. Right alignment. To right align a paragraph, position the cursor on any line in the paragraph and click on the align right. Justify alignment. To justify a text, position the cursor anywhere in the paragraph and click on the justify button. This is the picture of text alignment. Left, center, right and justify. This picture you can see on the desktop on the word processing software Word. Write the name of different indent marker. This is our second question. There are three indent marker. First line indent. Control the position of the first line of the paragraph. Hanging indent. Controls left margin of all other line in the paragraph. Right indent. Control the right margin of every line of the paragraph. This is the picture of indent markers. First line indent, left indent and hanging indent. This is another picture of the different indent marker. And this picture we can see on the desktop on the Word. Question number 3. Explain the different line spacing option available. Line spacing options. Single. For single line spacing between lines, 1.5 lines. 1.5. 1.5. 1.5. 1.5 line item. That of single line spacing. Double. Twice that of single line spacing. At least specified minimum line spacing between lines. Exactly fixed line spacing, a value can be specified. Percentage that you specify. Multiple line spacing, that is increase on or decrease by percentage that you specify. Add. This option work after selecting either at least, exactly or multiple option in the line spacing box. This is the picture of different line spacing option available. We can see on the desktop of Word. This is the line spacing picture. Another picture of line spacing and one more picture of line spacing option. We can see these options on the Word desktop. What is our first question? Explain the different type of text alignment. This is the text alignment option. Left, center, right, and justify. We can see on the in real on the desktop of Microsoft Word. Second question, different indent markers. We can see the different indent marker on the desktop of Microsoft Word. This is the indent marker. This is the indent marker option. And next, line spacing option. This is the line spacing option. This is the line spacing option of the desktop on Microsoft Word. What we done in this class? Explain the different type of text alignment, name the different indent markers, and explain the different line spacing option available. Thank you.